Yeah. Oh, I forgot. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numberblox 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numberblox 1. 1 and another one is 2 and another one is me. That's right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for number 5. We're the Numberblox. Oh God. Oh help. Oh, what a great day. Hey, you all. Look, there's somebody there. That has to be our friends. Yeah, look. Oh wait. Yeah, look. No. Oh my. I don't know why it's not like that. Anyways, what are we doing today? Wait until the 1 to 10 comes. Look, there it is. What is happening to me? Look, there. Oh wait. Let's go there. Yeah. Wait. Everybody stop. What just happened? Look, there's something over there. And there's an airplane. I love airplanes. Me too. No, you like Chinese. I watched that episode. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway, let's go there. Are we going to... What the... Hello everybody, it's me, 16. Yeah. What the... Oh, I'm suffocating. Why do you always change voices? Never seen. Do not know. What? Do not know. You did! Okay, anyways. What is that? Oh, wait. Set to go international. Yeah! I can't believe it's the what the again. I forgot to groove. What the groove? I forgot to groove. I forgot to groove. I forgot to. Okay. Wow. Cool. Yeah. We've been waiting for you. Why you take so long? Well, I waited for 7 because I moved to USA. This is actually USA. I swear you go to what? I swear you go to Kentucky. I just saw your I just saw your pictures on Instagram. I just saw it. What? No proof. Okay, no worries. Shut up. Let's see what's in there. Let's all go in. Yeah! What? I think this is not a good place to go in. So we're all falling. So we're... I don't think this is a great place to die. I mean, I don't think this is a good place to go, the way to go in. Yeah, I don't know. We are all going to die. What? Yeah, we are all gonna die. No, there's no proof. No way. You're cheating. You're cheating. No, I don't. Prove it by yourself. Okay, nothing's happened. But we're dead. What? Oh my god, the game is starting. Oh my god. Yeah, sorry everybody, I have no pause button because this is game bar 100. Sorry. What? No, I just want to debug. No. Just resume. It's not working, bro. Why? Wait. No! No! Can't cancel. No. Can't cancel. No. Oh my god, we'll just feel. Okay, part 2. Oh, never mind, it's fixed. We're not doing. Yeah, what? Just resume. Yeah. So resume. What? Okay, anyways, let's just go because that was so illegal way. Anyways, 2, we're not going to fall. Lucky 7 just helped us. Yeah, I did. Who was that? Of course, 18. What did I read? Talk like that. You said like 3. What's this make sound? Yeah, I keep changing voices. So that means I'm sorry. And I'm not on free. I don't know. And I'm even not on puberty. And I don't know what that is. Oh, no. Yeah, we're not done. Because DCA. Oh, never mind. Taste lazy. Okay, anyways, let's go in. Oh my goodness. Yeah, oh what? Why is there a player there? Why is there a player over there? What? I can't believe there's a player here. Okay, over. Hello! Oh, wait, there's my twin over there. Hello, twin. I want to check out it. Okay. You can go. Yeah. Oh. sorry. You have to pay. Oh my god, we're so true. It's 212. Okay. Boop. Yeah. Oh my god. I forgot I can't ride. And skaters. They're in. Yeah. That is 6. Big strong sway. Dun, dun, dun. I want a ticket. Oh wait. I want a ticket. 8, please. Okay. You can go. I will just take the stairs. Yeah. Because I'm a step squad. Okay, there's so many people here already. Oh my god. Hello, I want to buy some tickets. 12. Wait, 28, please. Okay. 28, I want some. Hey, I already have a free ticket from that free boo box. What episode? Oh my god. That 40's obstacle course. You just lose on that episode. Yeah, actually, anybody lose gets a free token. And where the heck's one? You're kidding. Yeah, what are these things? Oh my god. Yeah, I think this can't have it. Okay, anyways, hello. Hello. Just you need to buy at 28. Okay. 20, please. Okay, yeah. 20. Oh, 55. I want the token. 28, please. I want the token. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god. Everybody, go in line. What the? Everybody, go in line now. Okay, I'll just go first. What the? Yeah. Oh my. Ah! Yeah. Hell, 12. This one or that one? What? Are you? What? Okay, that was what? Yeah, that was so weird. Yeah, just skip that already. Okay. I can't. What? Your turn. Who is this guy? 33. Yeah. Where am I going? Oh, yeah. I'm still alive there. But I'm here. Where the heck? Yeah. Thank you. 21. I will just go first. Who the heck is that? 16. Oh, I want to go in. I'm just gonna sneak to the airplane. Oh, hello there, character. Hello, I'm a character. Okay, I killed him. Anyways, that's funny. Oh my god, look! Okay. Oh my god. Why is it really loud? Oh no. Okay, boy. Thank you.
How old are you?
Yeah. 25. Hey, hello, I wanna. Oh my god. Hey, I want a token. What? Yeah, me too. I would just go to 35. I'm in 27. I was just lying. I will just pick the. What the? LL pretend. Just shut up. You're not. Sorry. I mean, you're not L. Okay. I want a ticket. Or I will. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, let's just put you all in. What the heck? You already did it. Yeah! Yeah! Did. Exactly, air has been come. Exactly, air has been come. What? Exactly, air has been come. Exactly, air has been come. Exactly, air has been come. G. Oh my. What? Let's go. Why is there a 40? What? How did I get up here? I keep moving and I also going down. Okay, I'm back. 40. Let's go. Everybody, just skip it. Yeah. 14 was skipping. Yeah. I'm he who called me. Let's go there. Because it's the start. I do not care. 34. I think I can do this. Oh no, I don't fit. I'm literally as tall as the building. Look. Well, actually, I can just do this. No. Yeah, that. Wait for me. Yeah. 16 is under me. Oh my god, this thing is just like me. This thing is big as 25. I bet 25 would fit this. Hey, 12. This is boring, so let's all die. Okay. What did you say? All die. Oh wait. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no, I couldn't fit this whole look. Arch. I can't fit it. But I can just go away. 25. Big square. Oh no, I can't fit in this hole. No. Actually, I'm big as the hole. Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Who is this? Oh, 33. How's 33 there? Well, I'm just gonna go with it. 32. Anyways, this is 21 minutes, so let's do it in a part 2. Oh my god. Oh my god.